Oh, hey, check out this video. This is a gas explosion. I completely, wholeheartedly do not advise ever that you would attempt this, but it's pretty impressive. Again, disclaimer, this is how people die. Small fire, I assume there's a 1 gallon gas can there. Giant explosion. The energy, I looked this up, the energy in 1 gallon of gasoline is 1.10 to the 8th joules. But that's really a baby explosion when you think about maybe the Hiroshima explosion that ended World War II. This was, I think, the first one. You know, massive, that's called the mushroom cloud, everything destroyed. Blocks and blocks and blocks and blocks. I read that the Hiroshima explosion had 1,000,000 times the energy of that 1 gallon of gasoline. 1,000,000 times the number of joules. So let's see how many joules were in there. Let's use our scientific notation and exponent rules to calculate how many joules would be there. Okay, so let's see what we're working with. That gallon of gas, I remember I told you had 1 times 10 to the 8th joules, and I told you that Hiroshima was 1,000,000 times larger. How many joules does that mean it had? If I want to do 1,000 times 1.108, choose our exponent rules and first convert this into scientific notation. That would be 1 times 10 to the, count your decimal points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we can just multiply. A 1,000 times bigger than 1 times 10 to the 8th. You would do 1 times 1. If those were other numbers, 2 times 3, you would multiply those. So really we have 1 times 10 to the 6th times 10 to the 8th. I'm going to group my like bases. I can add those using product of powers, so it's the same as 1 times 10 to the 14th. Let's see what that number really looks like. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whoa. Not 11. Come on. I was writing out my joules here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Put in some commas. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. So what do we got? Hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions. There's ten to the 8th joules in a gallon of gas and 100 trillion joules in that Hiroshima explosion. That's a lot bigger.